Greetings everybody, Stephen Valliard here, and welcome to the playthrough of Secret of Evermore, a game by Squaresoft, a very old game on the Super Nintendo. Oh, and it seems we're jumping straight into a demo. Well, you'll probably know Squaresoft's favourite Secret of Mana game, which is one of my favourite games of all time. However, I was also a big fan of Secret of Evermore too, so I thought it might be nice to give this a playthrough. Now, as you can see, you control the boy, and he has his trusty mutt with him. So, let's give this a go. And has awesome music too. Right, okay, let me get used to the keyboard for this now. Right, okay, character name. What shall we call our character? It could be extremely boring. Let's just try. Brilliant. Podunk, USA. Fall 1965. Well, doesn't this look like a fun town? Oh, a sad movie, obviously. The Adventures of Loxley. And a big cat outside the barber shop. Not chasing the bird, strangely enough. An experiment is about to conclude. My friends, prepare to be a part of history. With the twist of a knob here and a flip of a switch here. Wait a minute. That's not right. "30 years later. The Lost Adventures of Vex. What a classic. My favourite part was the battle with the slime beast in a toxic swamp. You could hardly tell that it was really a bunch of old tyres and garden hoses. They let a dog in there? Where are you going, buddy? That's not the way home. Oh, that text is pretty quick. Wait for me. Now, where did he go? In this scary abandoned mansion. Huh, the door is open. Better take a look inside. There you are. You know, I think that cat is long gone. Hey, where are you going? Yikes. Watch out for that. Oops. Hey, look, a mummy, a chainsaw, and a balloon animal. A balloon animal? Huh, this wall panel is kind of loose. Wow, I think we found some sort of secret entrance. Wow, this looks like the PZS plasma drive in when comms. I didn't get time, sorry. I wonder if it works. Looks like he's asking us when he turns to face the screen. We should get out of here before something goes terribly wrong. Hey, don't chew on those wires. Oh, Jesus. Uh-oh. Oh, how come I didn't change it to anything cool? Doof. Oh god. Oh Jesus, it looks creepy. What have we here? An intruder? I fear. That was some blast. Whoa, man. Yeah, I'll be the same. Who are you? That's not important. We've got to get you out of here. We can't have you meddling with the Professor's experiments. Come along. I'd rather not. Who's that Carlton? Do we have a visitor? It's no one. No one at all. Well, I think it is. Continue with your work, Professor. Jesus, Professor's whipped. After you. Of course, you don't just do what people say. Oh, God. It's going to be a battle in a second. Alright, forgot what the controls are. Right, okay, let's have a look. Ooh, a bazooka. Awesome. This does not look good. Shut up. Okay, that's a goodness. There we go. What's the betting? I don't get to keep that bazooka. This looks like a way out. Is that you, buddy? I can't see you very well. It's dark in here. Hey, I think this is some sort of futuristic escape pod. Oops, there goes the control pad. And I'm dead. All over. Oh, whoa, that was some landing. I think the pod and bazooka are shot. Of course they are. Where am I anyway? And where's my dog? Hey, buddy. Hey, Pupster. Where are you, boy? Jesus. Wow, is that really you? You've changed. If you really... Oh. Yeah, sorry, skip past that. Okay, go get him. What are you looking at? Well, this isn't the stick, but it'll do. Come on, buddy. Let's look around. Yeah, don't be at all freaked out by all that's happened. Right, I'm going to just mess around with the controls. Yep, okay. Bone Crusher. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, the dog stats as well. Okay. No, don't need to do that. Okay, anyway, here's the stats we have. Okay. The dog stats. I'm assuming we're going to give him a name soon. Right, how do we get out of here? Right, okay. Right, okay, so here we are in the game. A petal. Yes, so we can accumulate ingredients. I believe it's for alchemy in this game. But I can't remember a great deal of actually what happens in this game. Ah, I do remember, however, the old doggy sniffs out ingredient. Hey, that's not on. Stupid plant. Go get him. Go get it. Go get it. No. There we go. Yes, doggy sniffs out ingredients. And I do love how the dog changes appearance in each, I suppose, time period. Right, and you can make the dog sniff as well by doing that. Sorry. Right. Oops. Good doggy, good doggy. What do you got? Excellent. Right. Come on, fly. Good, good, good. I do remember that this prehistoric era wasn't my favourite, however. I think it was an Egyptian style era that I did quite enjoy. Oh, I think it's dropped something. Yay! I believe herbal essence is... Ah. What's essence? Oh, okay, I don't know. Is there a way of finding it? Probably only by using it. I don't plan on doing that just yet. Aha! Dog. Now it's not time to have a scratch. Really? Is there something there or not? Okay, that's not really too much. Right, let's move on. Let's see where we are and who is about the place. However, I would prefer to be collecting these things because I have a feeling that they're quite scarce. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait, all the way back here, seriously, that's a really good sense of smell. That's... Hey, I dodged it at least. Pongo wasn't quite so lucky. Ah. Oil. Again, another ingredient. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna get it. There we go. Satisfying explosion of blood. That's just what we like. Oh, moment. Doggy. Doggy. We're gonna have to choose the name for this dog soon. Aha! I'm not sure what exactly I'm collecting this water in. Is there a run button? No. Okay. Ooh, nice one. Ow. Stupid plant. Yeah, so this was one of my favourite games on the SNES. I was always a big fan of RPGs. Secret of Evermore was just fantastic. Especially if you played it with a friend, because I don't know if you could have 3 players or not. I don't know if you get an adapter for it. I don't think you can play this 2-player though. I might be wrong. You might be. I think you can control the dog. Ah, right here. You need to have a sharp weapon to smash through the plants, or to cut the plants more accurately. There you go. Ooh, I've reached level 2. I'm not entirely certain what I can do with that level 2. I don't seem to recall that you're able to put any points into anything. Right, talents. I have a feeling that's the currency in this area when it's time zone. Oh, for God's sake. Come on. There we go. Oh, my dog's dead. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's put it on. I can't use it on me. I mean, I can't use it on the dog. Oh, there's petals. I can't use that on the dog. Okay, sorry, but you're going to have to stay dead for now. Whoops. One more hit should do it. There we go. Ooh. A petal. Oh shit, there's going to be a boss battle in a second. Great, and I've got a dead dog. Brilliant. Might as well... Okay, well, it definitely heals me. I'm sure I can't use... Maybe the essence to cure poison. Let me just check. I can't change the targeting reticule. Oh, come on. No, definitely can't use it on doggy. Okay, that's going to be good. There we go. I have a strange feeling about this. Look at their faces. Oh shit. Right, you shield raptor, come on. Oh, come on. There. Yes. That'll serve you right. 0 points of damage to you. Yes, 10. Okay. Actually, does the game pause when I bring out one? It does. Okay. Get lost. Nope. Don't think so. How is there underground tunnels? I need to shit off. Right, come on. but he has got very high health. Get here. I don't even know. Get lost. There, 8. Better than nothing. How did you do that, you shit? Right, okay. I think this is healing time. Oh. And it has a charge bar, like Secret of Mana as well. So you're not going to do the maximum. Sorry, doggy. You're not going to do the maximum damage until you've charged up to. There we go. So you've charged it back up to 100%. Huh? Oh, you're kidding me? It's another one. You little. Frick. There we go. Right, I'm going to stay up here. Get lost. Come on. Get your beady little eyes over here. There we go. For a miss, it'd really be useful to have you helping doggy. Maybe you have to have special items to revive the dog. No, come on, no. Oh, for God's sake. Should be there. Almost there. Come on. Oh, okay, maybe one more hit then. One more hit. Oh, okay. Maybe another. Maybe. Okay. A bone isn't a great weapon. Yay! I'll have level up. Blimey. It's okay because I've leveled up. So my health is full again. Oh my god, come here. You are mine. Oh, right, okay. Actually, let's see what it does do. Ah, yeah, that is not a health item. That would be to cure poison. Oh. Oh my god, what's my FPS doing? Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate. I do not know why the FPS is going wrong. Oh my god, miss? What do you miss? Okay, well there's nothing I can do. Okay, I'm screwed. This is ridiculous. You're gonna have to come up here, you little shit. Hide behind my dog. Hide behind. There we go, can't see me. I shall jump out at you. I could do it. I could do it. There we go, no more. There we go. I want a petal too. Good. Let us use the petal. And try to remember how on earth to revive this silly dog. Oh, village. Good. Let's talk to some people then. Hello, blue hair lady. We of the village of Fire Eyes welcome peaceful visitors. Thank you for protecting us from those nasty raptors. I don't know why she's got a voice like that. Sorry. Please stay a while and have some nice petals. Yeah, great. Any real food? Oh, nice lizard, huh? She knows how to sit, stay, shake hands and roll over. Got nothing to say on that. Right, it's Fruithead. The new alchemist Strongheart is missing from his jungle huts. That's a shame. Hello. The vipers and other jungle beasts dare not enter our village. Fire Eyes protects us from them. Please feel free to take the contents of my pots and gourds. You'll need them if you plan to go into the jungle. Ah, that's very nice of you. I was going to take them anyway, but whatever. 2 clay, water, and some water. Okay, that's good. Are you beefy? This is the hut of our leader. Please show Fire Eyes your respect. I don't think I have any respect. Oh god. I'm going to be sacrificed, aren't I? Fire Eyes, Fire Eyes. Fire Eyes, Fire Eyes. Fire Eyes! Yeah, come on, Fire Eyes, wake up for God's sake. Oh, hello. What? Oh, hi. My name's Elizabeth. Everyone around here calls me Fire Eyes. I suppose it's better than Four Eyes. Hi. Oh, sorry. Hi, Valiard is my name. Well, Valiard, step to my hut. We'll talk. Who let this wild beast in here? Oh, that's my dog. He hasn't been himself lately. What's his name? His name? It's... It's going to be... I don't know. It's going to be... Pongo. Pongo! Pongo? That's original. True. Good point. You're not from around here, are you? Well, I suspect neither are you. I'm not really sure where here is, to tell you the truth. You're on Evermore, in my prehistoric village. I'm the leader. You wouldn't know how to get to Podunk from here, would you? Podunk? Interesting. I might. Maybe we can work something out. No, how about you just tell me where Podunk is and we just leave it at that. How'd you like to make yourself useful around here? No? Well, The new village alchemist Strongheart has wandered off to the Bugmuck in the east. He's been searching for alchemy ingredients that are plentiful in the muck. If you could help him get back to the village, I will help you with whatever you need. Jesus, how old are you? Well, as Captain Leaf Madrock says in Mars Needs Lumberjacks, I'm ready for anything, you bloody geek. Before you go, I'd like for you to have an alchemy formula that I've developed. I call it Flash. It's pretty powerful against mean creatures. Ooh, a fireball. Okay, so that's... Okay, so there's the ingredient. So it takes... I'm not sure what the one is. Maybe it's like wax or something. But 2 seems to be water, I think. Or it could be oil. I'm not sure. Right. You can use the formula whenever you have 1 part wax and 2 parts oil. Just select the spell and let it fly. The more you use the flash formula, the stronger it will get. Cool, thanks. Is that what you got to say? Just cool, thanks. Found a biscuit. Biscuit. What the hell? What the hell? Anyway. Yay! Awesome. Right. Okie dokie. What are you sniffing? Ooh. Ash, let me guess. Cool. Well, I can leave the first part of the video there. And I'm just going to make sure everything's okay with my computer, because it does seem to be stuttering quite a bit. And see you next time.